小美女。
The story started 22 hours ago. I set off from Hainan Island to Gansu to fulfill my romantic dream of the desert. So Dunhuang, here I am. In the morning, I visited the Mughal grottos.
佛手在1987年经过了文物局的批准，由敦煌研究院对大佛的佛手是做过。
These ancient caves took about 1,000 years to build. In the afternoon, I went to the Mingshan mountain and the Crescent Moon Spring.
Can you imagine? Have a look from here. This is the bottom. I have to climb all the way up there to the top. How can I get there? I fully understand how hard the Silk Road used to be like, and everyone should climb all the time in the desert. Wow! 太惊悚了。
2,000 years later, tourists have great fun in the desert in different ways.
我从海南来。
And just like everyone here, although I'm exhausted, I'm deeply amazed by the natural beauty, the ancient history, and the pulsating atmosphere here. 好了，这就是我第一天的敦煌之旅。See you tomorrow, my dear friends.